Hello everyone, I'm Toru. In this video, I got myself a new keyboard. Yes, another keyboard. So in the last video I made about the DMECA 2.7 RGB review was very dull and rusty, I'm actually gonna try to be myself for this time, since I tried so hard making that video without even creating a script. And also, since there's so many reviews about the Ducky keyboards, I'm just gonna do an unboxing and a gameplay test. Let's get started. I bought the Ducky One 2 Horizon TKL. It cost me around $100 and around $105 for a full-size version. I like tactile switches compared to the linear switch, so I bought the Cherry MX Brown since my last keyboard has an Otomo blue switch. Let's move to the box. Inside the box, I get a warranty card, manual book, and a couple of stickers coming from the store where I bought this keyboard. Next up, the keyboard covered with a plastic cover on top combined with another plastic bag to put the keyboard inside. And here's the keyboard. Under the keyboard, you get an extra PBT keycaps for the escape, to enter, another one for a full-size version, and arrow keys. They also included a Ducky Wire Keycap Puller to take the keycap out. And last but not least, the cable, of course. I made a sound test for the Cherry MX Browns just in case you guys wonder how it sounds. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video more than the last review I made. And I'll see you next time. Enjoy for the gameplay! Nice. Mi 1.